Visit AnyExpat for relocation assistance.
Okay, so with so many new followers, everyone wanted to see what my house looks like that I just bought. So I just bought this house here, and I'll take you on a tour. We closed this week at $25,000. Closed, done, and dusted. The whole process took 3 weeks from the time I made an offer to closing. And so I'm going to take you inside and show you what you can get for $25,000. Okay, so when you walk in, first, there's these gorgeous metal doors and frame that you walk into. This will be the entranceway here, so I'll probably have, some seating there, a mirror there, we'll see. There's this room off to the side. Initially, I thought of this as a laundry room, but TikTok has convinced me otherwise, so I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with this room. It might just be storage initially. It's quite small, so we'll see. Then you come in here. I have full marble stairs. You come up to the first floor. To the left will be the kitchen. So this kitchen definitely needs to be redone. I'll be putting in a modular kitchen, so it will not be a full built-in kitchen. We're going to remove these tiles because they're quite dated. You can see. This door actually goes to the outside and where there's that stairwell in front of the house. So in here, you have a pretty big living room, Juliet balcony number 1. So this looks out onto the courtyard. This will be the dining room here and living room there. My goods just got delivered from Jakarta finally, so you'll see quite some boxes around. The top of the steps, this will be a closet, so I'll probably make this like the owner's closet in case I'm renting and need to lock it up. Then as you come up to the steps, here you have a little room, and right now the bathroom is right here. So what I'm going to be doing is taking this bathroom and moving it over to this room so it's a lot bigger. TikTok has helped me with this because I was going to make this a closet, but instead this is where I'm going to put the laundry, because right now my hot water heater is right here, and we were going to move it over, but now if I make this a laundry, I can keep that there, and then have my laundry in here, and have this as a little laundry room, which will be more convenient. And then over here, this will be my bedroom, so it's quite big. I have the Juliet balcony there. This is my bed. Yes, it's covered up right now. It's a full queen size bed, so you can see how big this actual bedroom is. This is where I'll put my wardrobes. So all my clothes, I have to buy those so that my clothes can go in there. And yeah, so pretty big. So total square footage of this house was 1,100 square feet, which is more than big enough for me. Total renovation costs are $12,000 to $18,000 is what I was estimating. I'll make another video because I'm still working through all the details with the contractor. But all in, it'll be under $50,000 in small town Sicily.
Visit AnyExpat for relocation assistance and onlyowners.net for vacation rentals. Don't forget to like and subscribe.